Hello everyone, this is Sunday, May the 15th, 2011, and this is my first crack at making a taper. And the way I've done it, I offset the tailstock, and I got a center end, and inside there on the faceplate I got a dog and also a center piece. And I've already turned it once before, but I'm redoing it again because it started out as just a taper. Then I added a piece in the back, and I'm going to make a plumb bob out of it, or a drift pin. Anyway, who knows what else you could use it for, but there you are. I put a bunch of gnarls on it and a piece of brass at one end, and I'm putting a piece of brass at the other end, and a bunch of gnarls, and I put that copper piece in the dog to keep it from ruining the gnarls on it. Pretty neat. If I make it, hope it comes out. I'll take a picture after I finish. I put oil on the steel, and I don't put any oil on the brass.